This video doesn't have a title. But how? Today we are going to show you how to upload a YouTube video without title. Let's do it. Whenever you try to upload a video on YouTube, the first thing that you need to give it a title. And unless you type something in the title box, you won't be allowed to upload the video. If I type spaces, does it works? No, that doesn't work. There are few videos on YouTube which doesn't have any title. So how did they that? Okay, I will show it. For do this we need to find invisible characters. Is there any invisible character in English? No, it doesn't. I found something called as Hangul filler. Hangul is a writing system of Korean language. Copy the Hangul filler and paste it in the title section of your video. And click upload. And just like that, you now have a video without title. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe and like the video.